Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down.
Right off the hop, there's a lot of new people that hit the sub button and they're new to the channel. And I just want to tell them that if you see a whole bunch of videos, 10 videos, 30 videos, you might be shocked. You might be scared, but that's okay. That's okay. It's normal here on the WorldwideSpotlight.com YouTube channel. You get a video, a video, a video. Right here, there is just way too many videos, is what I'm trying to say. I got some breaking news. We got comedian Kevin Hart. Was just involved in a motorcycle accident, and we need to talk about it. Do you think the Grim Reaper is after Kevin Hart? Because just last year, he was involved in a car accident. Now, he's involved in a motorcycle accident, sliding through the intersection, traffic behind him and everything. And you know Kevin Hart, he's really short. Even if he's standing in front of a car, you won't see him. He's not taller than the hood of a car, you know what I'm saying? So this is dangerous, bro. Check out what Kevin Hart had to say about his motorcycle accident that happened 2 hours ago.
Good morning. I fell off my bike this morning. Yeah. One of the scariest things in the world is falling off your bike. Traffic behind you. God damn it. Life flashed before my eyes, but I made the decision to get up. Get up fast. Well, I didn't really have a choice because I could have got hit. The point is, I made the right decision. What I'm trying to say, go get my audio book, The Decision. Life is full of them. Today I made the choice to get the fuck up and get out the way. I gotta do better. Swipe up. Go get my Audible book.
In other news, rapper Casanova exposed himself for being broke. He hit up the track, he said he spent all his money on a chain, and now he's back on the block flipping them birds.
I spent my whole advance on my neck. Now I'm back out in the field with a check. I'm stressed.
After he released that track, everybody was calling him broke, broke, broke. You ain't got no money. So Casanova responded with $200,000 in the bag, cash ready to go.
Know what's going on. What's going on? Know what's going on?
Now come and get your money, little duffel bag boy.
To let everybody know that he is not broke. He might not have a hit.
I ain't get a hit yet. I ain't by my mama crib yet.
He's not broke. Hit the like button, the sub button.
When you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell button. If you don't hit that bell button, you're not gonna know exactly when this is going down.
And I got more videos coming up. Don't be shocked. Don't be scared. It's normal. It's normal to have a whole bunch of videos on this channel. That's all I'm saying.
Posted in front of the trap, selling dope till the sun come down.